What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have anyone else. We got the capo 4th fret. I want to make it as easy as possible because I just tried to make it without the capo with the bar chords. Even with the capo on 2nd fret I saw that there are some bar chords and it's getting a bit stretchy to play some of the notes which is there in the song. So therefore I thought I have to put the capo on the 4th fret and here it is. So just have a look at the structure. It's actually the same thing going more or less for the whole song, and you just got the bridge which is just a bit different. So intro, verse, pre-chorus, chorus, then a verse, pre-chorus, chorus, drop, and then a last chorus or the outro. So this is the main power song. So let's dive into this part. This part goes mainly for the verse, for the intro, and even for the pre-chorus. So just have a look at the chord progression. It will be a G, then a D major. Before showing you that, let me show you the chords. Make sure that you put the capo on the 4th fret. The first chord is a G, which is 3 2 0 0 3 3. In the tab you will see there is no 3 on the beat, but it's better you put that for this song, it's needed. Then we have a D, which is mute mute 0 2 3 2. Then an E minor, which is 0 2 2 0 0 0. Then a C major, which is mute 3 2 0 1 0. Some places I will tell you to put that keep your fingers fixed over here, so it will be a G major, D major will be also like this, mute 0 2 3 2. But for the E minor and the C major, we're just gonna let it be 3rd fret on this 2 string, and it will be a E minor 7 and a C at 9. That's the difference. So now you know the chords almost. Now basically this is the thing going on, and I try to put it on the chords like the song to get that effect. Now when it goes to the pre-chorus, it gets more of choppy rhythm, but over here I'm just going to show you the basics and you can actually improvise on that. So we mainly do a, I'm coming to everything, but before that just have a look at this part. We mainly do a hammer on, a pull off, sorry, from 2nd fret to open on the G string, and then I play it, so we got, and then I play the D string which is open 2 times, so we got, and we repeat this thing twice, so we got, and when you play the open G string, you play the open G string and you keep your fingers and you do da da da, so don't let it ring, it shouldn't be, it should be, so we got, so we got, nice and easy. So for the intro, the chord progression is even for the verse and pre-chorus. Just have a look at this intro. Just one line. We have a G, then we have a D, then an E minor, then a C at 9. And what I basically do is I put the chord shape, and with my index finger I do the stuff on the G and the D. I got, so see, sometimes I use my index, but for the E minor chord I actually go to the middle finger. And basically when you play the G string open, I just play the normal C chord. And one thing is palm reading. Having this part of your hand rested in front of the bridge of the guitar, you get a very nice and soft sound. So make sure you get the palm reading for the intro and for the verse. So play the normal G. You can even just hold this. You can just do 1 down and you pull off. So 2nd fret open, and you play the string like that. And you go D, you just strum the D string and G string. Then you go to the E minor, but for the E minor I just have 2nd fret on the A string, and the D string is actually muted with my thumb, with my index finger. So you got, and when you do the down, make sure you strum the A, D, G, and the D is always muted with the index. And you play the D string open twice. And when I play the C major chord, I play A string, D string, G string. I play down, 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 down twice. So that goes for the intro. So you got palm it again. Sorry. Nice and easy. Now let's move on to the verse. For the verse we have the exact same thing. we repeat the whole entire chord progression for 3 times. Then after that we have another line. This is the next line. So we got 5 lines for the verse. The first 3 lines we have a G, D, E minor, C add 9, which we just learned before, C. So we got last time. After that you just change the chord progression. So we come to another chord which is an A major, which is basically mute, then open, second, 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 and if you keep the high E string muted, that's not a problem, but you can keep the high E string open. So what you're doing is you're doing a strum on the A major chord, and then you put your middle finger on third fret of the B string. So you got so you need to get this note. So you strum, then you play third fret, then you do a pull up from third to open, third to second on the B string. And then on the C major chord, what we do is without pick, we just try to, if you can do finger picking, that's great. But with the C major chord, I likely just strum the pick going one string down and down. So I go like till the B string. From the A string, I go till the B string on the C major chord. And then I play the D major chord and I pick the D string, then the G string, then the B string. To get how it goes in the song. So you got so I use my pick to strum the A and D strings, mainly the bass note, and then I use my middle finger for the G string and ring finger for the B string. Now things are a bit different. You're just having a pick, so you can't follow the classical finger picking style. So over here got the entire verse, and then you have another line which will be a G, D, the normal line. So we got 3 lines of then we have the next line which is and then you have the last line for the verse. And after that we move on to the pre-chorus. Let's play it a couple of times. One time. Better you keep palmating for the verse and for the intro. When you go to the pre-chorus, you can just remove a palmating. For the pre-chorus, what you do is we play the full chord shape, we play the full G chord, and we strum the full chord, and then we do that thing over here. Now it's a complete big option, but you can just still do that. So we got G. So down, 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 down. Now notice over here, I'm playing the E minor 7 chord like this. It's an E minor, but I add the 7 over here. And a C add 9 also. But it's a complete big option. You can just strum the chords in the way before, easier. So we got. Things get same when you just play this one. And then you have the little line. So what's the only difference is we just add this third phrase over here. You strum the E and B string. That's the only difference for the pre-chorus. Now we have the chorus. For the chorus, our chord progression remains exactly the same. So I told you the chord progression is same throughout the whole song. It's a G, D, E minor, C major. We repeat that twice. Then you have that line A, C, D, and then you have that again the line G, D, E minor, C. So you play the strumming pattern down. You do down, up, mute, down. So the strumming pattern will be a down, up, mute, down. So how I'm doing? Just have a look. Down, up, mute, down. So you got down, up, mute, down. Down, up, mute, down. So see? That's the strumming pattern. So just play it for the chorus. Once for each chord. Now play the variation of the chord C9. You can just play a normal C chord, but still it's better if you can just play like that. When you come to the A major chord, you play just a normal thing, but just you play the A, C and D. We picked over there, but there is no melody right now in the chorus, so we're just gonna play. And that's it for the chorus. If you still have any problem, feel free to ask me down in the comment below. I have a lot of songs to do, so I may be a bit fast. Then we have the next verse, next pre-chorus, next chorus, exactly same, and then now we have the bridge. For the bridge, the chord progression changes. It's a E minor, then a D, then a G. And what I do is I again play the third frets on the E and B, and this gets fixed for the E major. Sorry, the E minor. So we got the strumming pattern will be a down, a big down. Then the next 3 down will be strumming the G, B and the high E string. It goes like that. I like to strum like that. So we got down, 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 down. So we got down, 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 1, 2, 3. Then a G, then a D. You do the same thing. So you got so E, then a D, G. And after that you got that repeating 5 times, if I'm not wrong. If you hear the song you can actually get it, but after like when you just go to the chorus, before that you have this part. Like it just fades into the chorus. And the chorus. So what we do is we play a C major, we do down, up, mute, down. Then on D we do down, up, mute, down. And then you end that with a G stroke, down stroke. So we got you play that 3 more times, 2 times, and then you have, and then you go to the chorus. And that's almost everything for this lesson. If this is all, make sure to drop me one of these. Subscribe if you have any. I need to reach 1,000 subscribers by this month. It really will help me and encourage me to make more better content for you guys. And I'm actually in haste to make more videos. So I'll see you guys back in the next video. Till then, bye.